In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an Airtable base into a reusable template. If you've built a base that works well and you want other people to use the same setup without rebuilding everything from scratch, creating a template is a simple and effective way to do it. The goal is to keep the useful structure of your base while removing anything private or unnecessary so other users can make their own clean copy. Start by opening the Airtable base you want to turn into a template. This should be the version that already has the layout, workflow, and overall setup you want people to reuse. Before sharing anything, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct base, especially if you manage several similar ones. Next, clean up the base carefully. Remove any private data, sample entries that shouldn't be shared, old test records, or fields that are no longer useful. This is an important part of the process because a template should be clean, simple, and safe to distribute. If there's any sensitive information inside the base, make sure it's deleted before you continue. The idea is to leave only what helps someone understand how to use the base without exposing any real internal information. After that, review the structure of the base. Keep the tables, views, fields, and automations that are actually needed for reuse. This step is about making the template practical. If something supports the workflow, keep it. If it only made sense for one specific project, it's better to remove it. A strong template feels organized and easy to understand the moment someone opens it. Once the base is ready, open the base sharing options. This is where you control how the base can be accessed and whether other people can copy it. Look for the setting that allows sharing the base in template form rather than giving direct editing access. Then enable the share link that lets others copy the base. This is the key step that turns your setup into a reusable template. Instead of editing your original base, users will be able to create their own version from the link. Before you send it out, test the copy link yourself. Open the link and make sure the base can be copied correctly. Check that the structure appears as expected and that the important views, fields, and automations are included. Testing helps you catch small issues before anyone else sees them. Finally, share the template link with your team or intended users. Once they receive it, they'll be able to create their own copy and start working with the same setup you designed. That's how to turn an Airtable base into a clean, shareable template.